Breaking news in North Hills, an accident on the southbound 405 causing a traffic nightmare.
Now, Stu Mandel is overhead in Sky 9 to tell us more now. Stu, looks pretty bad.
Oh, it was bad. You got 3 people taken to the hospital. LA City Fire here on scene. That's what's left of one vehicle. The other vehicle, a bigger truck, actually drove over that car and made it off to the side of the road. Already been cleared. Take a look at the emergency response out here. Now, this is LA City Fire. They had to cut one person out of that car. California Highway Patrol on scene as well. They're starting to do an investigation. You can see cars just kind of squeaking by. 2 lanes open, southbound 405 just before Nordhoff. Take a look. The backup's starting to build up also on the 118. Live in Sky 9 over the North Hills area. I'm Stu Mandel. Back to you guys in the studio.
Okay, Stu, thank you.